G'day, this is Jason here from Forex and Forex UTurn. Today is November the 1st, 2011. Just got back here and we're going to do the trade setups. Okay, so here's 10 o'clock. We're looking at the Euro USD chart, 5-minute time frame. As you can see here down in the filter, it was no buying today criteria. It was only selling. And sure enough, it was right all the way down. You know, where people buy and take risks and think it's going to go back up, buy, going to go back up, buy, going to go back up, here and here and here. Well, they lose. They get burned, okay? Because that's not the way the market works. So anyway, here's 10 o'clock GMT. It almost came up close enough to say, we'd look to sell here. But the ideal entry was right here, okay, which was at 740. Which was a few hours or whatever before we looked to trade. Sorry, I stumbled there. I had a loss of words there for a second. I'm very sorry about that. I was thinking about something else. Something else popped in my mind. Crazy, crazy. I'm shooting a video, Jason. Concentrate. Okay. So anyway, all that we could basically do is sell rallies into the trigger and the trend line, which you would have done here. You would have done here. Would have went against you. Went here. It worked out. And then here. Okay. So right here in the U.S. session, as you can see, we came up over here. So we broke through this support here, right in here. So you would have looked to sell right here. So if you would have sold, you would have picked up a quick 50, 60 pips or something in here. And that's basically it for the euro. Okay, so let's now look at the 1 minute chart. Okay. So we'll take off the auto scroll and we'll scroll back in time. Okay, here we go, right there. As you can see, it was red, 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 red. Just turned blue over here. So you can only look for sell trades. Okay, so right here, okay, let's look here. Okay, we had this very strong support level right here. So we broke through here. Now, if you would have come and tried to trade here to here, there was 13 pips. So if you did this trade, well, it went against you back up and then came back down and gave you a few pips. So it was not good. And then when we finally broke through this level, okay, and this level, both levels with this, then you could have looked to sell somewhere in here. Then you would have got your 10 pips. But if you did this one, you probably got out with a loss or you suffered by the time you got some pips back. And there was that trade. And over here, you would have had to break through here, which we did right here. Came back up, but it wasn't your ideal entry, was it? So there really wasn't a trade here. And that's it. That's pretty much, well, that's past the window of opportunity anyway. Let's see here. Yes, that was at the end of our 2-hour period. So there was no trade there anyway. Okay, so that's it for the 1 minute. Let's now look at the pound. A pound, yeah, gave us our trading opportunity right here. You would have sold it right in there somewhere after we broke through this support right here. Your stop would have been about 32 pips. It came down, gave you 25, came back up against you 9 pips. There's 60. There's your 2-to-1 right there. If you would have held it all the way down here, well, it's about 130. 130 nice pippies. Woohoo! Nice run down, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and then the Swissy. Let's look at the Swissy. It was a buy. It was a buy. Yes, indeed, it was a buy. Right here. Could have bought a dip in here and here. Bought a dip here. Bought a dip in here and in here and in here. So he just basically bought all the dips all the way up. Yes, indeed. I don't know about you, but I find it easier, and I don't know why, but I find it easier to buy dips and be more accurately precise than to sell rallies. Like over here, like selling rallies. I don't know what it is, but somehow I seem to get in with not too much drawdown, um, and pick them, just right. Where when with the rallies, it seems to go against you, and I don't know, it kind of freaks you out, and it looks like it's going to keep going up or something, and then it pulls back down, and yeah, I don't know, but I love buying. I guess because forever and ever we've always heard the famous saying, buy low, sell high, or buy and hold, right? And I guess the whole market sentiment of a lot of people is to think to buy markets and not sell them. So maybe that's part of the reason. I don't know. But anyway, let's move on to the 1 hour euro here. Okay. Well, there was no trade here all the way down. If you got in on this AM up here on Friday and held your trade short, okay, all the way down here, well, good for you, because it was like 572 pips down. It's just crazy, crazy what happened. I don't even know what happened here and what caused this thing to go right and crash back down again. If anybody does know, please email me and tell me. Like, I know the euro yen and the yen, they didn't want their yen to drop any further because it would hurt their economy, and the sucker just shot up like a rocket. But I still don't understand why the U.S. dollar took off back up and the euro crashed down like 600 pips in 2 days. I don't know. So if anybody knows, please let me know. Okay, let's look at the pound now. Ooh, look at the pound. Look at some nice trades there. Woo. Yesterday, well, here this wasn't a trade. Okay. But yesterday, we had this nice V here. You would have got long somewhere in here. There's 100 pips. Then we had the nice M right here. You got a short right here. Here's another 150 pips or so. Beautiful, beautiful trades. That's my kind of U-turns, baby. Woohoo! Okay, so that's pretty much it for the video. Let's see. Hold on. No, let's not end the video yet. Let's go look at the Euro Daily. Okay, so let's look at the charts here. I had to delete my special indicator on there. Anyway, let's look at the weekly and the monthly. Yeah, it just looks like it's coming back down here. So this was our last trade. As you can see, they came up and they got our stop right here. And now they're taking it back down. So I guess if I would have played the extra, conservative by putting our stop right here at the top here, well, we'd still be in the trade, I guess. Only losing 300 pips, but still, man. From where we got in, it would have went against us 943 pips. So we'd really afford to put a 1,100 pip stop. That's exactly 1,100 pips. It's like, no, the stop was too huge. Even 700, I don't like to go past 600-700 on these big charts, but anyway, there's no trade signal here to come down that I can see, or go up. I was hoping for it to close up here strong, and then we'd be looking to buy it to go back up. But they hammered it back down again, and like I said, I don't know why. I don't know why they hammered it down. So if somebody knows, please let me know. Okay, so that's it for those, to talk about those trade signals that I give. I also just want to say, and I'm going to write it in the email, that I'm very excited to announce that on, I know a lot of you don't even listen to this video, but I'm very excited to announce on November 22nd, I will be coming out with a new trading system. Um, it's very unique in how it works. It's basically a counter trend trading system, but at the same time, you'll be trading with the trend. And I know that's hard to understand. It's like either you do one or the other, right? You trade with the counter trend or you trade with the trend. Well, I'll teach you how to do both. I'll show you how to how to trade with the trend, and when you get into the position, you'll still be trading with the near-term trend. Okay. It'll also show you how to trade a counter trend trade of the day, but when you enter the trade, you'll be trading with the near-term trend, and it uses the 1 hour time frame for this, for this system. There's no moving averages involved. There's no histograms on the bottom of the chart. It's basically using price action, candle formations, and just a few indicators that show lines on the chart for targets and stops. And it's very, very unique. The entry that's involved with this. I truly am excited about it, and I think you should be too, because I swear to you, I honestly think it's better than ForexPipSnager and Forex UTurn. So be on the lookout for that. On November 22nd, it will be available for all of you to try. Okay, so thanks for listening to my video, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.